Unveiling the mysteries of the ocean depths. A world beneath the waves. Imagine standing on the edge of a vast blue world. The ocean stretches out, deep and wide. But what lies beneath? Many think deep waters are quiet and lifeless. In truth, they are alive with surprises. As you peer into the water, sunlight dances on the surface. Fish swim around, glimmering like jewels. But just below this surface, a secret world waits. The ocean is home to beautiful creatures and strange wonders. Every year, millions of people visit the ocean. They feel the cool waves and smell the salty air. But only a few explore the depths. These hidden parts of the ocean hold stories of adventure and mystery. What if I told you that the ocean holds more secrets than we can understand? In the depths, there is life that we have not yet seen. Scientists say we have explored only a small part of the ocean. So, what could be waiting in the dark? Journey to the underwater world. Imagine diving into the deep blue sea. As you go down, the light fades. You enter a new world filled with strange shapes and colors. Bright coral reefs surround you. They look like underwater gardens full of life. Small fish dart around the coral, while bigger ones glide majestically. Sharks, which many think are scary, play a vital role in this ecosystem. They keep the ocean healthy, but there's more than just fish and coral. In the depths, we find mysterious creatures. Some can glow in the dark, while others look like aliens. The anglerfish, for example, has a light on its head. It uses this light to attract its prey in the dark waters. But what if you could meet a giant animal? The blue whale is the largest creature on Earth. It can weigh as much as 30 elephants. Imagine swimming next to such a gentle giant. There is so much to discover. And not everything in the deep sea is scary. The secrets of the abyss. Most people think that the ocean floor is just sand and rocks. However, this is not true. The ocean floor is full of surprises. There are underwater volcanoes that create new islands. There are also hydrothermal vents that release hot gas into the water. These vents are home to unique life. Creatures thrive in extreme conditions without sunlight. Scientists study these amazing animals to understand life on Earth and beyond. Yes, the ocean helps us understand our planet better. One interesting fact is that the ocean is not just salty water. It is a source of life and energy. Many people believe that the ocean is endless, but it is not limitless. The ocean faces many threats, including pollution and climate change. This makes it even more important to explore and protect it. We need to care for the waters because they care for us. What do you think? Do we really know enough about the ocean? Exploring the unknown. So, how do scientists explore these depths? They use special machines called submarines. These machines can dive thousands of meters below the surface. Some are so advanced they can even take pictures of the ocean floor. Exploration helps us find new species. Every discovery is exciting. Sometimes, scientists find creatures that look like they belong in a science fiction movie. Each new species tells us more about our ocean. An amazing fact is that the ocean holds more treasures than we know. There may be ancient shipwrecks, lost cities, or new medicines waiting to be found. Imagine discovering a treasure trove of knowledge and history. However, we must protect our oceans. Pollution and waste threaten the beauty and life. Many animals, such as turtles and dolphins, suffer because of our actions. We can change this if we care. Your adventure awaits. Are you ready to start your own adventure? You don't need to be a scientist to explore the ocean. You can learn to snorkel or dive. You can even take boat trips to see the wonders of the sea. Visiting an aquarium is another great way to see ocean life. You can watch colorful fish touching live exhibits and learn about ecosystems. It is fun and educational. Don't forget, every small action helps. Reducing plastic use or cleaning up a beach makes a difference. When you protect the ocean, you protect our future. What excites you most about the ocean? Is it the big animals, the small creatures, or something else? Share your thoughts. Conclusion: a call to action. In conclusion, the oceans hold countless mysteries waiting for us to explore. From vibrant coral reefs to the deep, dark abyss, there is so much to learn and discover. Let's take action to protect this precious resource. Every step we take today can change tomorrow. Remember, the ocean is not just a body of water. It is a living world full of wonders. As you close your eyes, think about the ocean. Imagine the waves, the creatures, and the adventures. The ocean is calling. Are you ready to dive in?